Hey best friends, so today is a pretty exciting day. I'm doing lock extensions today and I'm using 100% human hair lock extension. These can be found on the website. So I pre-colored and I washed them because I wanted them to look more natural, to blend in better with her hair. She had relaxed hair and we cut the ends off. So this is how her hair looks. I'm using a little bulk hair extensions as well, also can be found on the website. Now she didn't want too many locks in her head, so we are only using 70 pieces. So I pre-sectioned the hair so as not to get too many or too little. This is the end results. I crocheted it in and this is the end results, and you can't tell us not now, she looked like a real dignified rasta girl now. Yeah man. So anyway guys, it was her birthday and she wanted a little updo, so I put it up in a little updo and now I'm stitching it in place because I really don't like to use pins in the locks. It's just too much work for me. So it came out really nice guys, and she was loving her hair. Now she was transformed.